A few years ago, there was a young guy named Dave who used to say, "One day I'll earn big." He worked hard, stayed busy, hustled every day. But nothing changed. Months passed. Years passed. He was still stuck at the same salary, same routine, same stress. One evening, after a long, exhausting day, he met an old classmate at a cafe, someone who used to score lower than him in school. But now, that same classmate was earning 3x more, living confidently and growing faster every year. Dave didn't understand. How? What did he do differently? Was he lucky? The truth hit him later. It was never luck. It was micro habits, small, daily behaviors that quietly compound into high-income skills, high-income opportunities, and high-income results. Over 70% of top earners credit their success not to talent or background, but to tiny habits repeated consistently over time. Small habits, big income. Simple actions, massive results. Inside today's video, you'll discover 8 micro habits used by high-income earners worldwide, habits you can implement immediately, even if you're starting from zero. If you're ready to break through barriers and achieve greatness, hit that subscribe button. We're here to support your journey to success. Micro habit. Number 1, the clarity reset. 5 minutes that change your entire day. Most people start their day drowning in noise, messages, notifications, deadlines, mental clutter. Their mind becomes a battlefield before breakfast. High-income earners? They use a simple but powerful micro habit. A 5-minute clarity reset every morning. Not journaling, not affirmations, pure strategic direction. They ask one income-shifting question. What is the one action today that increases my earning power, skills, or equity? This is the difference between staying busy and becoming wealthy. Research shows that those who set daily clarity intentions increase productivity by up to 28%, which directly boosts income opportunities. The mistake most people make is asking, "What do I need to do today?" The wealthy ask, "What creates income today?" Those two questions create two completely different financial futures. Habit number 2, the avoid at all costs. List, removing income poison. Everyone makes to-do lists, but high-income earners make reverse lists, things they refuse to allow into their day. Because income isn't just created by what you do, it's also created by what you avoid. Doom scrolling, emotional arguments, useless meetings, mentally draining conversations, tasks that look productive but generate $0. What could you build with that time? A new skill, a side business, a stronger investment portfolio in ETFs or dividend stocks, even an extra income opportunities depending on your field. If you've ever asked yourself, "Why am I always tired even though I didn't do anything important today?" This is why: too many energy leaks. High-income earners patch these leaks early, and that gives them space to upgrade the income-building micro skill coming next. Habit number 3, the skill inflation hedge, 90-day micro upgrades. Your income has inflation. If you're earning $60,000 today, that income will feel like $40,000 in a few years if your skill doesn't rise. The biggest mistake people make is relying on one big skill, a degree, a job function, one expertise. But the world changes every 3 to 5 years. High-income earners hedge against income inflation by upgrading one micro skill every 90 days. Not big things, small but strategic upgrades. One negotiation technique, one communication improvement, one analytical method, one stock market concept like valuation or diversification, one financial tool like drip or index funds. These micro skills stack like Lego bricks and dramatically increase your earning potential. Number 4, the 3-second courage rule, the fastest way to create opportunities. Have you ever wanted to speak up, ask a question, or share an idea, but hesitated until the moment passed? High-income earners eliminate this hesitation using a simple psychological micro habit, the 3-second courage rule. If something has the potential to grow income, visibility, or opportunity, they take action within 3 seconds, sending the message, asking the question, pitching the idea, or introducing themselves. Harvard behavioral studies show that people who act before fear settles in experience 34% more promotions, and up to 42% higher earnings over 5 years. The mistake most people make is waiting for confidence. But confidence is a reward for taking action, not a requirement. The wealthy treat courage like a muscle, tiny reps done daily, 3 seconds at a time. A simple email can lead to a new client. A 10-second introduction can lead to a referral. A 1-minute pitch can lead to a new income stream. Success often hides behind moments of micro courage. And once you train this reflex, you're ready for habit number 5, the identity shift that rewires your financial destiny. Number 5, the rich identity rehearsal, becoming the person who earns more. High-income earners understand a psychological truth most people ignore. You don't become wealthy by forcing discipline. You become wealthy by changing identity. Every day, for just a few seconds, they rehearse the identity of their future rich self. The person who invests consistently, understands ETFs and equity growth, manages money with intention, and makes decisions like someone building long-term wealth. This is grounded in self-schema theory. The brain behaves according to identity, not goals. If your internal story says, "I'm trying to make more money," you think and act like a struggler. But if your identity becomes, "I am a high-income earner building financial freedom," your habits naturally align. As Maxwell Maltz wrote in Psycho-Cybernetics, your self-image is your blueprint. Most people financially stagnate because they carry a low-income identity shaped by fear, scarcity, or past failures. Identity rehearsal quietly rewires that narrative. It's a small habit with massive impact. Number 6, the invisible hours, building wealth, when no one is watching. Every wealthy person has mastered the art of invisible hours, pockets of time when the world is distracted, but they are sharpening their financial edge. High-income earners commit just 20 minutes a day to invisible work, reading financial insights, studying ETFs and index funds, learning portfolio diversification, understanding tax-efficient investing, improving communication, or building a side skill. 20 minutes may seem small, but it compounds into 121 hours a year, nearly 3 full work weeks of self-improvement. Meanwhile, the average person wastes those same hours scrolling, reacting, or escaping. Income grows in the shadows long before it appears in your bank account. The mistake people make is believing growth requires huge chunks of time. It doesn't. It requires consistency in tiny increments. When you use invisible hours wisely, opportunities start appearing everywhere. You think sharper, you communicate better, you understand investing more deeply, and you start making decisions your future self will thank you for. Number 7, the weekly money review ritual, becoming smarter. Every week, one of the most powerful habits of high-income earners is the 10-minute weekly money review. It's not budgeting or tracking receipts. It's simply looking at your week and asking, what made me money? What wasted my time? Which decisions improved my financial growth? Which mistakes drained it? How did my investments perform? Is my portfolio compounding the way I intended? This small ritual, according to the Journal of Economic Psychology, increases wealth-building actions by 32% because awareness alone shifts behavior. People who review their financial week make fewer emotional purchases, make smarter investing choices, and double down on the activities that grow income. Most people never do this. They manage money emotionally, not strategically, and that's why their finances feel chaotic. But when you review weekly, your financial life becomes predictable and controlled. You begin spotting patterns that held you back for years. And once your awareness rises, you're ready for habit number 8, the social micro-habit that multiplies income quietly. Number 8, the 1% network upgrade, the social compound interest effect. Income grows faster when your network grows, but high-income earners don't try to network with everyone. They improve their network by just 1% each week. One message, one meaningful comment, one helpful resource shared, one reconnection, one thoughtful introduction. These tiny actions create social compounding, similar to compound interest in investing. Stanford research shows strong professional networks can increase lifetime earnings by over $120,000, not because of luck, but because opportunities flow toward people who stay visible and valuable. The mistake most people make is trying to meet successful people. The wealthy do the opposite. They become valuable, and opportunities find them. This habit is subtle but extremely powerful. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.